Hey everyone! So I had a private class this morning and we had some paints left over, so I thought I would just do a quick video. She picked out some great colors and she got some great results with these colors. We have Island Blue from Craftsmart, Blue Green from Soho, Naples Yellow from Blick, Prism Violet, Creative Inspirations, Dioxazine Violet. This was a Grumbacher turquoise and of course white. But she did all the mixing and she put her silicone in. She did a great job. Hopefully she'll remember everything when she does her own. And yes, my air just turned on, so I'm sorry if there's some background noise, but it's very hot in the studio today and I really need it on. It's about 80 in here. So I'm just going to use up these paints real quick and do a quick little 3-cup flip cup for you. So I'm using the WD-40 silicone spray in the cups so we can release all the paint. We have a lot of white left, so we definitely want to use that up. Not all on this painting, of course. So I'm going to start with the Dioxazine Violet. She did find out that different brands mix differently. Some need more Floetrol, some need less. So that was good. It was a very good learning experience for her. And we'll follow that with this little bit of Prism. Go with Naples Yellow. So she ended up doing 3 paintings and all of them turned out beautiful. So she really appreciated the hands-on experience instead of just learning on YouTube, so that worked out great for her. She's close by. So now I will finish her paintings for her and get them all cleaned and varnished in a couple of weeks, and then she can pick them up. And we'll go with some turquoise. Blue green. I'm just going to use up the rest of this yellow. Just a little tiny bit in there. Don't want to waste any paint. White I will put in a container. Okay. I do want to just drizzle some along the edge so I don't have to stretch too much. And you can see when you add silicone to the white how it looks on the canvas. You get all these little dots here. That's why we use a base paint. You can see that. Yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip these over. They don't have to be perfect. give him a torch. Now the white will sink quite a bit, so we'll still get some out of that. I'm going to start tilting. So I'm not one, I don't like to waste too much paint. And of course I store all my paint in bottles, so I thought I would just use this up instead of putting it in a bunch of little containers. I love how that's coming up through there. Nice soft palette. She liked the dark purple and the dark green, so of course she used more of those colors while she was here. So I'm kind of stuck with the light ones, but that's alright. I don't mind. Make it work. Instead of saving it for a rainy day, we use it up. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell next to the subscribe button. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop for your supplies with me on Amazon. If you're interested in paintings, I have them on Etsy. Running a sale as well till the end of August. And we now have resin available through Coat Countertops. It's an art resin, and the code is below for $30 off an $80 order. So it's wonderful resin, no VOCs. It has UV inhibitors, makes your paintings look like glass, and it's so wonderful to work with. We will be doing more videos on that as well. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.